Hello, student. Welcome to SYBSc Botany. Myself, Professor Vikrant Chandan Shive. The today's topic is about we just discussing about the syllabus of forms and functions. Okay. In SYBSc Botany, there are three different subjects: Botany Paper 1, 2nd, and 3. So, the second paper, that is the forms and functions, is belongs to me. So, let's start. The paper is divided into three different units. First, cell biology. In this cell biology, we studied ultrastructure and the function of cell and organelles. That is mitochondria. In mitochondria, the membrane structure, the concept of cristae, the F1 particles, and mitochondrial matrix. Next, peroxisomes, the structure and the functions of peroxisomes. Likewise, the glyoxysomes, the structure and the functions of glyoxysomes. Next, ribosomes. In case of prokaryotics and the eukaryotics and their subunits. Cell division and its significance, cell cycle, cell structure, that is the different phases of cell cycles, and last but least, that is the nuclear envelope. In case of nuclear envelope, contains chromatin, different kinds of proteins, and within the nucleus there is a nucleolus and nucleoplasm. Apart from this, that is the difference between mitosis and the meiosis, and the types of structures and the functions and the different biomolecules, that is the DNA and RNA. Unit number 2nd is belongs to cytogenetics. In this cytogenetics, variation in chromosomal structure, that is called as chromosomal aberrations, or more accurately structural aberrations, which deals with the different types of structural aberrations like deletion, duplication, inversion, and translocation. In this chapter, we correlate the aberrations, that is the structural aberrations, with the genetic effect, that is how the aberration that leads to improper functioning of different proteins or the functional genes that affect the physical parameters. Then sex determination, sex linked gene, sex influenced genes, and sex limited traits. The sex determinations include chromosomal methods of sex determination, that is the heterogametic male and the heterogametic females. Sex determination in monoecious and dioecious plants, genic balance theory of sex determination in Drosophila, Lion hypothesis of X chromosome inactivation. Next, sex linked, that is eye color in a Drosophila. The another example, hemophilia and the color blindness. Sex influenced, we studied blindness in the male, and the extra nuclear genetic material includes organelle heredity, that is chloroplast determination heredity, that is plastid transmission in plants, streptomycin resistance in Chlamydomonas, and male sterility in maize. In unit 3rd, it belongs to molecular biology. In this molecular biology, we studied DNA replication, that is the modes of replication, which includes experimentally proved that Michelson and Stahl's experiments, DNA replication in prokaryotic and the eukaryotic, the different kinds of enzymes involved it, and the molecular mechanism of DNA replication in prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Apart from the protein synthesis, that is the central dogma of protein synthesis. Next, transcription in prokaryotic and the eukaryotic. In a transcription, both promoter site is different, initiation process is different, elongation and the termination process is different. Here we studied all including prokaryotic as well as eukaryotic systems. And finally, RNA processing, that is adenylation and the capping. Okay, thank you.